So it's for vlog?
So, yeah, my name is Ibrahim. I'm the founder of Venaz, and the main, uh, in short, Venaz is your creative space, like infinite space for generative workflows. And here we have three fundamental blocks. We have text, image, and video block. And using these three blocks, we can create infinite ideas and we can scale infinitely. Um, from ideation,
Okay.
iteration, we can iterate, and we can explore new ideas and then we can scale. For example, let's imagine the fashion industry, and in the old way, we need like set up lighting, we need set up location, we have like different cameras and different lightings, but in the new way, on the canvas, we can do this like spending less than $10, like I mentioned here. We basically need a location like reference images. For example, let's take this from Pinterest, and we have the models. We shot them in the studio. As you can see here, we have different lightings, like more harder, more softer lights, a little more softer, and now we can just using these models and using the reference images, we can basically swap. For example, this is the first iteration. It's kind of bad because the lighting is on this, like in the middle model, is very bad. It's not consistent and not properly aligned with others. So we iterate second time, and it's the third time, and now finally this is the first iteration. And the first iteration we got the best result here. As you can see here, the lighting and the effects are properly aligned with others. How we do this? Basically, we made the connection from this model. Uh, there's a plus icon. You can just drag, and now you can select text, image, and video. Let's select the image block, and we have this new block. Now we need a reference image. We can take this image, click the plus icon here, and we can drag connection. This is a connection, and near to this block, here it connects to this block, and we have two images, the one model here and the reference image. And here this block has the some like specifications. For example, the model, we can select any model. Like as a creative director, you can control like which model you're going to use. Let's assume it's nano banana 2, and we can also select the size for our use case, like for LinkedIn posts or thumbnail or some posters or banners and etc. Let's select 3 and 4, and we can also select the resolution. And here we have another uh, the like feature, the prompt. We can use the auto prompt, like if you click tab, it will generate another prompt here, and on click the return, it accepts this current prompt. Or we can also write the prompt here, and we can select the generation amount 2, 3, 4. Let's try this one. For example, we can copy this prompt. We can also like make the reusable prompt. How? Just click the text here and drop the text block here. We can now paste the prompt here. Now it's reusable prompt because we can use this anywhere. Like we can connect this here, and we can also connect this to another, for example, image block, and we can, for example, make the another here from here. This prompt is reusable. Yeah. Let's try to generate this, and we can let's try to generate two variations. If we click this, it will change the amounts. Yeah, Yep, and on click generate. Now it's generating. Or we can also analyze the images. For example, let's take this example. We have 3 images here, 3 iterations, and now I just connected the 3 iterations to the text block, and I prompted which one is better, and I selected the model, GPT-5 Nano, and like you can select any of them, and you can also select the temperature amount from here, and on click generate, it generated this one, and I would pick the second image and the middle as the best, and there's some why the model like GPT chose the second image. Yeah, we can analyze the images, and we can also remove the backgrounds. For example, from this image I removed the background. I just dropped the new image, click the image, and remove the background like this. Remove the background, and there's no background here. Now we can just view in a full, or we can download this image, or we can even crop this image. For example, let's assume for cropping the text here. Let's assume the text. Wait.
Oh, Ibrahim, so it's created. And how much time does it generate?
It has been generated, this one. We have prompt here, and we have reference image here, pure reference images. So it takes around like up to 1 minute. It should take up to 1 minute. Let me check. Yeah, like fastest is 8 seconds, but it's like around 30 seconds maximum. Yep. And this is the second variation, because we selected, as you remember here, we selected 2, so we have another variation here, and we can choose any of them, or we can basically analyze, like select the boss, and the both of them selected. Now we can drag the connection and select the text here, and now we can just say which one is best for poster. We can select the model. Let's select, for example, mini, and temperature maybe 9, and yep, it's analyzing the image. Oops. Okay, we have the analyzers here. Okay, it says both images are good quality, but the best choice depends on the poster style and purpose. Quick summary and practical advice. If you want clean, bold, choose the top. If you want casual, choose the bottom one. Yep, and some analyzers here. Yep. What else? Here's another generation. The best generation is here, this one. This is a proper lighting. So you can see here, this darker. Here is a little bit lighter. This like exactly replicates the original image. This one, darker, lighter, and mood, character, behavior, and we use it the model here, this model, and let's try to crop. For example, let's crop the maybe text. unclick the crop here. We can crop the text. Oops. Uh, and we got the text here. We can drop the image block here, and we can try to let's select nano banana and select the size this one and 1K, and turn the text color into red, and turn blue into yellow, vintage mood, retro style, and click generate. Here, put it here. We can remove this one. We can remove this one. And we can also, for example, we have the one workflow. This is the one workflow, and we can like make it publish. Here on the top right side, you can see this icon. If you click this, there's a publish. It will make it visible by link. You can share with others, or you can publish on marketplace and sell for free, or some like some paid, or like copy the link and share, and some keyboard tools for faster generations. Let's see the generation here. So we got a result here. The text is red, blue is now yellow, and it's vintage. This is exactly what I wanted actually. Let's download this. Actually, it's pretty cool.
We could fix it, then I'm not sure stitches are fixable. So. Hmm?
Yep. This
So,
is a like one example that we can use the venaz and fashion industry. For example, we can just comment this. This is pretty cool for merge, maybe for merge. Yeah. Like it's a little
applic-
bad to hear.
oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Just real quick, can you talk a bit about applications for I don't know, website or branding or products?
For branding,
Yeah, for company branding or for product.
yeah, yeah. For example, let me show the example. Um, on marketplace here, you can see there was a Duolingo. This Duolingo brand identity. Let me show this. Uh, Basically, you dropped all the assets.
This, oh, sorry.
Oh, Duolingo.
Yeah, basically you
Yeah, so this
dropped
fund
all
is
the
going to be very
assets.
cool for you. You're thinking of building a website. Sorry, Ibrahim, I'll shut up.
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah,
man.
yeah, yeah, no problem. Yeah, basically you dropped all the assets, like for example the owl, the Duolingo assets, text, the text like font size, font family, and etc. And now here we have example reference, and using this reference we can make new branding for Duolingo. We have prompt here,
Oh,
and now we connected this into like image, drop the image, and using this dropping, we connected another assets. For example, here you can see assets. We have text, we have image, and image. Like if you click, it will show this exactly. And we connected, and we selected nano banana. We selected the big size, landscape mode, and resolution, and then we just clicked the generate. It generated this one, but it's bad because this book is like it's not aligned properly, and yeah, there is some issues, but we can fix it. We just drag the connection from to another, and here we have another iteration using the another like different model, and this one is better because you can see the book is properly closed, and all the other assets are properly aligned also. Or we can also generate another here. For example, we can replace the man here at the center with lighting to another asset. Just connect to the image block here and connect to the, for example, this asset, the heart. We can click this and go to here and put it here, and we have exact this generation. And this is for example Duoling this example for brand identity. um, let me check Duolingo. Yep. What else? Branding. We have another workflow for modeling. For example, we have bags, we have the model. Now we can generate new look. For example, the bag here, and I'm saying here that replace the model bag with this bag. I'm mentioning the bag here. How to mention? You basically click this one and you can mention the items. It's like easier. and and also I'm saying turn the model clothes to replicate the new bag color. So it's turning the model clothes to red color because it replicates the bag. And now I connect it to another block, and I say it get the clothes. Here I got the clothes. It's a product showcase. Now I connect it to the video block. How? Just drag. Oops. Just drag and click video block, and this is a video block. And I prompted here this prompt rotate the camera and circle pass full product showcase, and here you can see the full product showcase. And we can iterate this infinitely. For example, we have different variations here. We have like another video here. For example, we place it the bag because the original image doesn't have any bag. As you can see here, this like the original reference image, and here we place it the bag, and then we made the video. Or this example, I say it this original like yellow and green color, and I say it here. Um, Apply the color palette of the clothes, this one, to the model clothes, this one, this model. Uh, yeah, it's easier mentioning the items, and it basically turned this. Now we can even make a video out of this, like rotating the 360 degrees and a circle pass, or we can even make like this mood board, like uh, different looks.
It looks it's really cool. Amina, you had a question? Amina, you're muted.
Oh yeah. So basically, it's this like a AI summary for pictures.
I would say it's like infinite canvas for infinite ideas. Like you can iterate this.
Can you elaborate on that, please?
For example, this one, another example. We have different lightings, and we place it the item here, lightings, or we place it the monitors here, and we can place the here the posters even, like here we have images, and we place it these images here inside this one. As you can see here, it has different image, like some randomly generated, and we say it take this image and place them to the monitor, to the screen, and now we have these images in the monitor, and we can iterate. We can analyze, like which one is which one is better. Or this one for 3D. I have prompt here, turn into 3D picture style, and I have reference images here, and I generated new images here. Or I can also analyze this one, and then generate. Yep.
In practical terms, how do you see participants being able to use this for their projects, Ibrahim?
They can generate the posters and like quick demos, quick video demos for their ideas. They can like make mood board like this, like three and a grid style, for example.
So the video generation can also handle like how a user would use something or recycling or things.
Um, you mean like this or?
Yep. Yeah, but speaking or doing things with their hands or things.
Yeah, they can. For example, we have the audio here.
So, if I'm understanding this right, first of all, so creative, but is it like different like ideas for designs?
uh, Not only for designs, it can be used in different like use cases. For example, you're a game developer, you can generate
Okay.
assets, and you can generate characters, you can generate different scenes,
Yeah.
environments, and then um, export all of them into your game and make a game. Yeah.
Right.
Because the consistency across generations is pretty solid, as you can see, and you can generate different
Yeah.
assets and then just make a game.
Yep.
What else? It can be used for photography. You have one photo of the place. For example, you went to Europe, you took a photo, and then dropped to canvas, and now you can iterate. Like, for example, you dropped image of yourself and then put into this place, make different uh, variations from different sides, like this, from different sides, like side view, front view, upper view, and etc.
So I can create a whole scene with it.
You can create, yeah, like wool, air, wool idea into one canvas. You don't need any kind of other tools.
Okay.
Like you don't need 10 tabs, you
That's
don't
great.
need 10 subscriptions, and like headache. Just like one canvas, and that's it.
Awesome.
Yeah. For example, this. Uh, for example, you're selling on Amazon. You can drop your items, you can drop the model, and make the generation, this one, or iterate again. Or you can even, for example, this one first iteration, now you have a
So
scarf and
I
belt.
can download the items and the person that's going to wear it and then match it together.
Yeah, for example, yeah, sure, this one,
That's amazing.
this one original, and we have different generation with like different clothes. But now you want to add scarf, the scarf and belt. You just basically drop the connection here. Oops.
Okay.
Let's assume image block, and now you can connect this to here. Um, this one also here,
Amazing.
and now you can just prompt it like this, and we have like scarf, we
Yeah.
have belt here, and all the things are rest same here.
Yes.
Yep. Um, you can make a video. For example, for Instagram, you place it the image, this image and this image. Now you made a video from two images. Here, two reference images. For example, this new look. There is the glasses. Yeah, this is also another example. Yep. Basically, this is like everything.
It's really cool, Ibrahim. I think people like it. Quick
Yeah.
question: How is there a demo version that participants can take and play around with,
Yeah,
or a
definitely.
tutorial or something?
Yeah, just go to venaz.ai and there are tutorials on YouTube. I have like different tutorials. Venaz, Venaz AI here. Tutorials and
So you created this platform, which is venaz.ai.
yeah, I'm the founder.
Okay, great. That's amazing.
And on
Is
marketplace,
it like a Canva but with
yeah, it's like
go on?
Figma. It's like Figma and Miro, Notion, like everything mixed. There's marketplace for templates and workflows. Like for marketplace with ready made templates and workflows. You can go to marketplace and just like try out them and understand like what else. You can go to
And
like Twitter actually. I have like published new feature, for example this one, multi-select or duplicating items. Duplicating is got easier. For example, you don't like it. Let's assume you don't like this one and you want to make new generation, and but you are lazy to again connect the nodes. You can just duplicate it. Oops. Click duplicate and you have another, and now you can select another model and now generate it.
Ibrahim, just if I could jump in here for a bit.
Yeah.
So, Amina, I would say that it's great for the collateral that you want to add to Canva or to a PowerPoint, because sometimes you want specific branding, specific images to represent your idea, right? So I think it would complement Canva very well, and that's the thing. It's a how should I say this? It's a multiplier. It's a very powerful AI powered multiplier to represent the idea that you're trying to build. Would anyone want to talk about their idea? Any inspiration they might have on how to use venaz.ai?
I'm kind of logging into it right now, so I want to see how it works. Maybe I will. Yeah, me too. Maybe give you use it and see.
I mean, if you have questions, the literal founder is in this call, so this is the best place to talk about it.
Yeah, you can like anyone can message or DM anytime on Discord or whatever. Um, you can also try go to yaps.gg. It's my personal website. You can find lots of like pretty interesting stuff there.
So did you open only venaz.ai or do you have more?
Um, I'm also the founder of Open Community on Discord. It's like
Oh, okay.
yeah, like community to learn things pretty fast, from designing to building things, and um, and it's also like I'm the founder of Yaps World on Yes, yaps.gg. Here, yeah, there are a lot of like useful and pretty cool things, from articles to tutorials to applications. Yeah,
Yeah, I like that they're all aligned with creativity.
or creative corner applications. For example, you can learn like statements and essays, all of them like real, based on real application process. Or creative corner, you can see all the creative things I made, for example a film or music on Spotify, or branding campaigns like posters, hackathon posters.
I heard you talking about how you have tutorials on YouTube. Can you please drop the name or
This
anything that I can search on YouTube that so that I can get the video?
venaz AI, you can here, I shared the link here, this one, this one,
Oh,
tutorials.
oh yeah, yeah. Sorry, I
Yeah,
didn't
you
scroll
can
up.
just search venaz AI, search venaz AI on YouTube also. Or you can also search my channel, Yaps World. There are like lots of pretty interesting things. And yeah, you can try LinkedIn. I'm more active on LinkedIn and Twitter. Yep, if you have any questions, you are free to ask whatever.